What is up, squad? Today we're covering Program D. This is our muscular endurance program for beginners. We are focusing on feedback mode and average mode. So feedback mode is essentially the basic mode on the Isochain, just when you turn the unit on and it shows 0, 0. That's feedback mode. Average mode is how we're going to determine our progressive overload and increasing our time under tension and essentially making more gains with Program D. The protocol for this is this program 2 to 3 times per week. It's 4 sets of 100-second holds. That is super wild. That's right. Each rep is 1 minute and 40 seconds long. Strap in because we about to feel that burn. The 4 exercises in question are the front squat, which we could use any variation of squat, the shoulder press, the bend over row, and the clean pull, an exercise you really don't see too much on the channel, but we're gonna utilize that movement here. For progressing each week, let's use the average weight number that we get off of each lift and try and beat that average time number every session. Let's get into this. So this is gonna be tough, guys. It's definitely gonna be tough. You know, so we're working at about 20 to 30% of maximum. So that's why I'm able to talk to you right now. I'm about 20 seconds in. The fact that I have to do this 3 more times and then 3 more times per exercise is pretty wild. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do each exercise once, which is honestly more than enough. But just know that when you perform Program D, oh my God, I feel it already. Oh my God, these endurance ones, guys. Last time I did this, like my arms like semi-locked up. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm about to hit 45 seconds. Y'all have no idea how much this burns. You see my legs starting to shake? See my legs starting to shake? I can't even tell how much effort I'm putting. Oh my God. Oh my God, my quads.
He needs some milk.
It's so much worse than the wall sit. Yeah, there they go. There they go. This is the one that I knew was gonna suck. So I wanted to get it out of the way first. Oh my God. Wow, okay, we got 15 more seconds. Oh my God. Beginner Program D, huh? Oh my God, I'm sorry I put you through this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I highly recommend doing the squat first. Highly recommend doing the squat first. Holy freaking crap. Wow. Oh my God, yo, I remember how that feels. Oh my God, okay. So while we're getting ready, I'm gonna do the bent over row next. Trying to work up the chain link. I believe it is. It's like chain link 12 or something like that. I don't do the bent over row often because I prefer the seated row. But for the sake of Program D, bent over row it is. So we're going. I'm a little late. So I'm not putting too much into this, guys. Again, this is about 20 to 30% of your max. 20 to 30%. Hopefully I'm not too dark in the camera lens right now. Like it doesn't. So right now I'm averaging about 60 pounds of force, and I really don't care to increase it any more than that. What I found is that pacing for these endurance lifts are everything. If your pacing is good, you'll survive. If you treat this like your hypertrophy lifts, where it's 60 to 85% is starting to work. Oh my God, my biceps are on fire. And I still have 45 seconds. If you start to go all in, you will have nothing left, and this will become a really miserable exercise. That's why the isometric manual tells us to 20 to 30% for these endurance holds. And trust me, right now, that's all you need. Oh my gosh, man. I'm still around 50%, 50 pounds of force. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see the lean. Right now, I'm not gonna move until I finish this set. I got 5 more seconds. Holy crap, guys. Wow. Okay, done. Oh my gosh. So here's my angle here. Bent over row. If you need to see proper form, here's a link right here. Go ahead and check it out there. I have a minute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So shoulder press is what I'm gonna do next. Oh wow. That is difficult. These endurance holds are hard, guys. Yeah. This is definitely gonna be touted as like the ultimate home gym, in my opinion. Because it's hard. This stuff is crazy, guys. Time under tension, don't ever. Here we go. About 20 to 30%. Now here's what makes this interesting. So if you've ever performed the shoulder press at any point, there is, you know what, have you ever like held groceries out at the side? And what I mean by that is like, you see where my hand placement is? So if I extend my hand all the way out to the side like that, have you ever held the groceries out at arm's length? I don't care if you have literally 2 bars of soap in one hand, your arm is going to go numb after a while. It doesn't really take much for the muscular endurance holds to kick in here. My shoulders are already on fire. I'm about to hit, just now I just hit the 45-second mark. And this is the thing, the isometric training, it just doesn't look, it doesn't look like it's a big deal, What looks tougher? This right now, me just sitting here talking to you and holding this bar up, setting up 135 for an overhead press and repping it out for 3 sets of 8 to 10, right? It would probably be the barbell. But let me tell you, even though you can't see it, your shoulders are under load right now, and my shoulders are on freaking fire. That's why I'm trying to talk, so I don't have to oh my God. Okay, here we go. 1, oh my. All right, so we have about 20 more seconds, and the last thing we're doing is the clean pull. Now, if you're not familiar with that exercise, I already showed you a link earlier, but essentially it's similar to the shrug, only we're on our tiptoes, so it's really odd. All right, so we're in. So right now I'm on my tiptoes, and like I said, I'm not ripping into, this is only 20 to 30% of my all-in strength, and it doesn't take much because holding a contraction for 1 minute and 40 seconds, if you've ever done a wall sit or a plank, then you know the basics of isometric training, and you know how those exercises, you're not moving, but it's burning. So it's very much the same concept, but in my opinion, a lot worse. Oh my God, this shit burns so bad right now, guys. Oh, okay, yep, and there it is. It's starting to feel it in my traps. So right around my neck is the main part where I'm starting to feel it at. Coming down to about 50 seconds right now. And it's so funny, this is why I have to talk, because again, it doesn't look impressive. It looks like I'm just standing here talking to you, like I'm probably just chilling, and you have no idea. Your muscles are under load. Your muscles are under load. Just like that squat that I did in the beginning where my legs started to shake, right? To you in the camera, it just looks like I'm just chilling there having a conversation with you. No. Oh my goodness, 20 more seconds. Oh my God. All right, now it's starting to radiate from my traps into my shoulders, which I just burned out. Doing one of these, I can imagine if I was doing all 4 sets like I'm supposed to, you will be exhausted performing all 4, but it's going to be a great workout. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Whew. Yo, all right, and then don't forget average mode. So I'm gonna hit average. See that? Average mode 33. For the sake of not being redundant, I didn't keep hitting average mode to show you, but after each exercise, you want to hit average mode to see the average amount of force that you're pulling for the lift. And now, for example, that clean pull I just performed, if I were to do that following the protocol, that means I have to do this whole entire program 2 to 3 times a week. What I would do is tomorrow, if I want to do it tomorrow, or let's skip a day and go in the following day, so every other day, I would be aiming to beat 33 pounds of average force time. So you just want to give it a little bit more each time. Now I can only imagine how that feels, because right now I'm done. My traps actually are pretty sore. And by sore, I mean fatigue. It feels like I just did it feels like I did the barbell shrug. It feels like I did 3 sets of 30 at 135. That's just how it feels like to me, because I've done high reps with isometric holds for volume for the barbell shrug at the gym, and it really feels like that. Now it's just 1. We're supposed to do that 3 more times per each exercise. So for this video, I only did the bent over row once, shoulder press once, clean and pull once, bend over row once. Performing this program, we're supposed to do each one 3 more times. 3 more times. What does that mean? You are going to be absolutely fatigued at the end, which is the whole point. Muscular endurance, increasing the muscle's capacity to handle a load for long periods of time. Marathon runners, I'm talking to you. You need that, all right? You need the strength, but you need that as well. All right, guys, hopefully we found this of some value, and that completes the Isochain Beginner Series workout programs. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like, go ahead and comment, and if you're not yet part of the squad, hit that subscribe button, come join the squad with us. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.